Hello beautiful people, hope you all doing fine. In this video, I thought of making Joker clay sculpture, but just when I was about to start, this happened. Life is not always perfect, and I am too imperfect for this life. Well, that's life. So without giving any more excuses, let's start. First draw the rough line figure of whatever you want to sculpt. I will be using this air dry clay for this project along with thin wire. And finally I purchased these clay modeling tools from Amazon. All these product links will be there in the description if anyone wants to buy. Okay, next using the drawing as reference, bend the wire and make skeleton. I wrap aluminum foil around the wire skeleton. This will reduce the use of clay, making it dry faster. Since I will be making small Joker figure, I will keep aluminum layer very thin. Next I will apply thin layer of clay on this aluminum. After applying, I will keep it for drying. It's easy to work on the detailing when the underlying layer is hard. Our clay dried. Here if needed you can use X-Acto knife to cut off extra clay part. Next I made face. I am still very bad at it. I don't know whether I am using right tool or not. I just use whichever I found helpful. I use little water while blending two clay parts. Even dipping the tool in water gives good result. Here, since this clay is dried and hard, moist it with water before applying clay on it. Blend the edges wherever required. Final detailing takes most of the time. Since clay is soft and change shape easily, sometimes you have to keep the figure for drying before going to the next part for detailing. Here my Joker body is dried and ready. I inserted wire pins here and on the legs so that it stands firmly on the base. Also I drilled small hole here. I will fix it like this using clay. For the stairs, I simply rolled aluminum foil and covered it with clay. Our stairs are ready. I made small joker name tag here. Now before drying, I will place joker here to poke hole in the clay so that it will be easier to install it later. Also put little pressure to form foot impression on the stairs. Our sculpture is ready. Now I will paint it with acrylic colors. But since I don't have some of the acrylic colors, I will paint those areas with poster colors. I loved the Joker movie. Joaquin Phoenix, what an actor. I became fan of his acting and his legendary dance moves. From long I wanted to make this Joker figure. Finally I made one. Apart from this Joker, I loved Heath Ledger and Jared Leto. Every Joker had some uniqueness in their act. This Joker dance reminds me of peacock dancing in the wild. Just like dancing peacock doesn't care what's going on around. Similarly, this Joker dances happily on the stair until interrupted by policemen. If you too like Joker dance, a like from you people will be appreciated.
My life is nothing but a comedy.
Yeah, and my art. Our Joker has put on his happy smile. I will paint grey color to the stairs. For the name tag, I will apply metallic gold acrylic color. Here's how it looks. I will stick Joker now using super glue. I got this Bosnic clear coat spray. This will secure all the colors and give it a good glossy finish. That's it, our Joker is ready to rock and roll. Do let me know if you like this video. Hit that like button in Joker style. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share with your friend. Be creative and keep creating. Peace.
Clouds are stirring up the sky. I was always in denial of what I saw right in front of me. And every time I'm so damn lost to what I love.